Previous tutorial we were discuss about paging, about the paging. Now in this tutorial we will discuss over the RRC functionality, RRC connection management. So one of the RRC function is established, maintain and release the RRC connection between UE and U-turn. The RRC connection is always requested by the UE and set up and released by U-turn. UE may request RRC connection for different reasons, such as response to a page, originating of the call, location area update and routing area update. So in this situation UE always initiate the RRC connection request. When RRC connection is established, the UE goes through the transition from idle mode to either self DCH or self fetch state. In an RRC connection establishment, normally 4 SRB are set up between U-turn and UE for signaling purpose. 4 SRB are used for the signaling purpose. After UE goes transition from idle mode to either self DCH or fetch state, then during the establishment normally 4 SRB are set up between U-turn and UE for the signaling purpose. 2 SRB are used to carry RRC connection message and other 2 are used to carry upper layer NAS message. User data RAB, user data is used as a RAB, may or may not be needed, depend upon reason for the RRC connection request. If the connection is a request for voice or data call, RAB are required, radio access bearer are required. If the connection is a request for location area or routing area update, no RAB is required. That means no radio access bearer is required during if the connection is request for location area or routing area update. There is no RAB required in this situation. There are 3 steps in RRC connection process. Entry process is UE, U-turn. UE always send RRC connection request. U-turn send RRC connection setup and RRC connection setup complete. These 3 steps, the entry process is completed from idle to connected mode. Now we will discuss over one by one all the message. First is RRC connection request message. When UE want to request establishment of RRC connection, it send a RRC connection request message to U-turn. The message is send a logical channel CCCH. Logical channel CCSCH RRC connection request which contain the establishment cause, initial UE identity, protocol error indicator and report RACH information. This logical channel CCCH is mapped to RACH, map to transport channel RACH. The information element in RRC connection request message include RRC connection establishment cause, initial UE identity, protocol error indicator and measure result on RACH. RRC connection establishment cause the RRC establishment cause IE to state the reason for requesting the RRC connection, such as responding to a page or originating a call. In initial UE identity, IE, the UE may use in decreasing order TIMC, PTIMC, IMC, International Subscriber Identity, EMI, International by Equipment Identity, to identify itself. If the UE does not have a valid TIMC, temporary mobile subscriber identity, then valid TMC is used, and so forth. Protocol error indicator. Indicator I could be set to true or false. When you want to have RSA connection establishment, it attempts to repeatedly transmit the RSA connection request message until it receives RSA connection setup message with valid configuration, or until the number of retransmission reaches the maximum number given by the counter N300. N300 counter is given, whichever comes first. If the maximum number of transmission reach, then the UE still can't get an RSA connection established. The UE will stay in idle mode. For each transmission, the UE will wait for the response given by the duration of T300 before it attempt next transmission. If the UE receives invalid configuration in RSA connection setup message, it will transmit the RSA connection request message with the protocol error indicator I set to true. Measured result on RACH I contain measurement result of current cell and the monitored cell. Utran may use this measurement result in its calculation for handover decision. Now RSA connection setup. When the Utran receives the RSA connection request message from the UE, it either accepts the request and response with the RSA connection setup message, or reject the request and response with the RSA connection reject message. RSA connection setup message provide the UE with all necessary information to enter either the cell DCH or cell fetch state in connected mode. Utran send the RSA connection setup message on logical channel CCCH map to transport channel fetch. The connection setup message contain many IEs, including initial UE identity, a specification mode, pre-configuration mode, predefined configuration identity, Utran DRX cycle, length coefficient, default, non-configuration mode, default configuration identity, re-establishment timer, UE capability requested, RBs to be set up, uplink transport channel information, downlink channel type information, frequency information, uplink radio resource and downlink radio resource. These all the information are in RSA connection setup message. The UE identity, for the initial UE identity, I provide the UE with the information for UE to determine whether to read or ignore the rest of the RSA connection setup message. UE compare the value, the initial UE identity I with on identity. If the value are different, then UE ignore the rest of the message. Otherwise, it read the rest of the message and act accordingly. The specification mode. The specification mode and pre-configuration mode tell the UE to initiate the radio bearer and transport channel configuration in accordance with the predefined parameter or in accordance with the received information. Three different scenarios may occur. If the specification mode I is set to pre-configuration and pre-configuration mode I is set to predefined configuration, you must initiate the radio viewer and transport channel configuration according to the predefined parameter identified by the predefined configuration identity I, and initiate the physical channel according to the received information in uplink radio resource and downlink radio resource I's. So this type of 2-3 scenario have to happen where specification mode of pre-coding mode is decided. The normally for signaling radio bearer SRB may be configured with the 2 allocated to RRC and 2 allocated to NAS. For SRB, 2 allocated for RRC and 2 SRB is allocated for the NAS acknowledgement mode, 2 SRV for RRC, and 2 SRV for NAS. One is configured as unacknowledgement mode, and the other is configured as acknowledgement mode. Of the two allocated NAS, one is for high priority signaling, and the other is for the low priority signaling. RB mapping information IE, which is embedded in RBs to setup IE, provides the information on how to map the logical channel onto transport channel. Uplink transport channel information and downlink transport channel information. Uplink and downlink transport channel information. The IE contain information on permitted transport format combination and other information specifically related to transport channel. Uplink radio resource and downlink radio resources IE provide physical dedicated channel information if the initial state for the UE to enter in connected mode in cell DCH. These IE also contain information on a spreading factor, a scrambling code number and other physical channel parameter. RC connection setup complete message is sent by the UE. RRC connection setup complete, UE receive RRC connection setup message. You receive RRC connection setup message, then it will compare the value of the initial UE identity IE in the received RRC connection setup message with its own UE identity. If the value are different, then UE will ignore the rest of the RRC connection setup message. If the value are identical, then UE will follow the following step. First, the take actions such as initiating the radio viewer transport channel and radio viewer transport channel physical channel configuration based on the information provided by RRC connection setup message. N300, stop the timer of N300. Third is send RRC connection setup complete message. RRC connection setup complete. RRC connection setup complete message to U-turn after the successful entering the connected mode. The UE send RRC connection setup complete message to U-turn on DCCH map to DCH. DCH or RAJ. The RRC connection setup complete message contain information element including message type. Contain information about including message type. Message type RRC transaction identifier, startness, CN domain identity, UE radius capability, UE radius capability extension, UE system capacity. For CN domain, for each core network domain, the start list I list the start parameter which is used to ciphering and integrity protection security procedure. If UE SIM or SIM is present, the UE must set the start for each core network domain in a start list IE. UE radio access capability and UE radio access capability extensions contain information about the UE capability including supported transport and physical channel, whether ciphering is supported, frequency band separation between the transmit and receive frequency, power class, positional method, and whether compressed mode is required for the inter-frequency and inter-rad measurement. The UE receive its UE radio access capability information element from variable UE capability request in RRC connection setup message and include it the UE radio access capability and UE radio access capability extension IE. UE system specific capability. IE contain information about the inter-rat specific UE radio access capability. UE retrieve the inter-rat specific UE radio access capability information element from the variable UE capability requested in RRC connection setup message and include it in UE system specific capability IE. RRC connection release message indicate the RRC connection is to be disconnected, including all radio access bearer and all signaling radio bearer between UE and Utron. By doing so, all established signaling connections are released. In RRC connection release, NAS layer first carry out the release procedure and release the radio bearer when call is terminated. RRC connection release by sending an RRC connection release message using UMRLC on DCCH. When the UE is in cell DCH or cell fetch state, Utron may also send RRC connection release message on CCCH if the downlink DCCH is not available in Utron and UE is in cell fetch state. RRC connection release message contain a release cause IE that spell out the cause for the release. The cause for RRC connection release include normal event and specified preemptive release, congestion reestablishment, reject, user interactive, directed signaling connection reestablishment. These cause for the RRC connection release including normal event. Utron may transmit several RRC connection release messages to UE to increase the probability of proper reception. In such a case, RRC message sequence number for these repeated messages should be the same. UE RRC passes the release cause to the NAS layer, which interpret the cause and then takes proper action. Normally, UE will perform the RRC connection release procedure and send an RRC connection release completion message to the lower layer and transmission on DCCH to Utron using AMRLC. For